স্যার নিষেধ করছে যে যদি কেউ আরবি বলে তাহলে তারে স্কুলে রাখা হইব না, সব ইংলিশ বলতে বলে আছেন। আপনার ভিডিও অনেক আগে থেকে আমার দেখে, কিন্তু তখন মানে মনে ছিল না যে আপনার কথাটা।
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English in Times English Center with Ashik sir.
When do you go to your madrasa?
I go to madrasa at 7 a.m.
How do you go to madrasa?
I go to madrasa by car. Sometimes I go on foot and with my father.
Where do you live?
I live in Saudi Arabia.
Do you follow grammar?
No, I don't follow grammar because our teacher teaches us without grammar.
Is it easy method?
Yes, this is easy method.
Can you learn English properly?
Yes, I can learn English properly.
Very good. Do you live with your family or do you live alone?
No, I don't live alone because I am not a big person. I live with my family.
Family. Okay. Do you have parents?
Yes, I have parents.
Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have two sisters.
Sisters, mashallah. When do you practice English every day?
Every day I practice at morning. Sometimes I practice at afternoon. Sometimes I practice at night.
Very good. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I also enjoy learn English because this is a easy language.
Okay. How many classes did you complete?
I completed 7 class.
7 classes. Very good. So, do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I want to speak English fluently because I go to madrasa at 7 a.m. and I talk with another friend. They are also talk in English, but I can't speak English, and that's why I
Try
try
to
to speak
speak
English.
English. Very good. Now you feel better.
Yes, and now I feel better.